Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I'm going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is Moody Florals, and it is for the week of September 9th through the 15th. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you decided to spend more time with me. So I'm going to be using a multitude of things. I'm going to be using boxes from Aesthetic Plans and stickers from Crafty Planner Queen, as well as stickers from Etsy. These flowers are called Cinnamon, and I am in love with them. So this is my first official fall spread, and that's part in due to Crafty Planner Queen, as her little reading stickers here are a very fall-like. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just creating a border on the bottom. I wanted to make sure that that is as full as possible, as I do like my little florals in here. There we go. I'm gonna cut off the excess. So let's just do that. Perfect. Okay, so now I can go ahead and start layering some other stickers and going from there. So look at this page that Crafty Planner Queen created. It is called a book club. This is part of the sticker club that I'm in, where she provides us a new sticker sheet every Tuesday. It's a printable. But look how adorable these girls are. Like, oh my goodness, right? Can't like help myself with these. So I'm looking for a color that would match this spread. So I think I want this like mustardy yellow. You will see why in a second. There's some kind of mustard yellow things in the Crafty Planner Queen's stuff. Not probably this shade, but that's okay. I can work with it. So I'm just placing boxes all around, and then I'm gonna place all the other stuff after. So we shall go from there. But yeah, these are beautiful. So this is from Aesthetic Plans. So if you guys know me, I am an affiliate for her. So if you guys purchase her stickers, if you wouldn't mind just using my link, I would truly appreciate it. I don't get any money. It just tells her that you guys came from me. So there you go. Okay, next up is going to be more boxes, because why not? But let's go ahead and add some stuff. So I'm just looking in my planner right now. I also pulled the Mojo Jojo to see if there's some of this color in there. I need to go through all of my sticker books. I have so many, you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I was thinking of pulling in blue. But let me put these decorative stickers first. Look at this. Like, this is so perfect, right? And I did print this on a full page instead of like my half page before. But yes, I added all of these like little elements to the spread, and I love it. Okay, look at this. Look at this like journal with the coffee. Just love it. Okay, we're gonna make some checklists, and I'm gonna go ahead and make just circles, so no lines as always, and then we'll go from there. So bear with me as I do that. This spread, as always, will be probably extremely full, so just bear with me as I'm doing all of this. So we have Monday. On Tuesday, I'm gonna do cup on the top and then the rest on the bottom. And I do need to clean this stencil, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's a mess. It's a mess. Okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I am off to do Okay. So that is this. One more. And put it above her head. Okay, so my to-do list is done. I can add more of these decorations in here. So we're going to do a book club. Actually need to join a book club. It's going to be my goal for winter months, I think. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and add this notebook, or yeah, it's a notebook right there. Super cute. I'm going to add these books right here. And then these ones. Yeah, this is coming together quite nicely. And then let's add bookish in here. So we have book club, bookaholic, and bookish. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna grab my tweezers for these really, really smaller elements. So first, let's put this one in here. Okay, and now I can add these sparks. These are so adorable. So look at this little heart. Oh my gosh, it's from coffee. Okay, and now I'm gonna add these like they look like almost like little stars. So that's what I'm doing all around my spread, and we'll go from there. So just a couple more things. Look how cute these tiny, tiny ones are. So I'm just playing with this and kind of seeing how it's going to go. I ripped it. Of course I ripped it, because why wouldn't I, right? Okay, let's add, how about we add some like sparks next to her book, like she's reading and she's like, it's fantastical or something. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys, today. But the spread is turning out to be so gorgeous, and I'm so excited. So let's keep going. I think I need to add a little bit more florals throughout to make it look like cohesive. So I don't know, maybe like on top of Saturday, I'll see. I'm just going to add this Crafty Planner Queen and book club so I remember where these stickers are from. So, and then I can go ahead and add some more florals. I'm just picking which ones. So I typically print quite a bit of florals when I do purchase images, and I do them in different sizes, and that's for exactly this purpose. So if I do need to add florals, I have all sorts of shape and sizes, so this way I don't have to go and reprint new ones. This is my little trusty cutter. It's like a pen, and it has a very sharp blade at the end. I do like using these since they don't really cut through my page, and that's exactly what I want. So okay, so I added a floral right there. Should add a couple more in different corners to make it really cohesive. Let's add a little bit of leaves right there. I'll add this big chunk in here. And let's cut it just like I did the other ones. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, not balanced yet, so let's add just a little more. I don't know. Where should, maybe on Saturday, maybe on Thursday. Okay, if I do that, I have to cut it so it doesn't block the tray with the coffee, because I like that more than I do the flowers. So, okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and then Thursday, I'm just gonna add a little corner like so of these very pale leaves. And then let's add one to Monday on a corner, like so. Yeah, that looks good. That looks much fuller. It's making me happy. Like I said, I've been kind of finding my mojo with knowing that I really, really like when my spreads are full. So I've been doing my best to do that. I don't know if these florals really work with these stickers, but you know what? They work for me. So that's what it's going to be. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with my spread. Not too much to go. I think I'm gonna add one more floral. And then let me know what you guys think about the spread, whether you think I should have added the flowers or not added them. Let me know what you think and we shall go from there. But thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner and I'll see you guys again next video. Have a great week ahead and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.